morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 5 textbook page number 36, the chapter factors and multipliers, and the topic is HCF. On page number 36 you have the build up and the question is list the common factors and then write the highest common factor. HCF mean highest common factor. Factor of 9, 1, 3 and 9. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Common factors are 9 and 11. 9 and 12 is equal to 1 and 3. HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. Now you have the part 1, that was your example. Now the part 1 is 8 and 12. So first of all, what will you do? You will write 8 here and 12 here because you are finding the both values, multipliers or the factor. Factor means the multipliers or those digits which are divisible by 8. The 8 is divisible by 1. We will start it from 1. 1, 2, 4 and 8. These all are the factors of 8. Now the 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, that are the factor of 12. After finding it, you will match or find the common factors. Common factors mean a digit which comes in both values or both are the factors of. You can see that 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors between 8 and 12. Now what you will do, you write common factors. Common factors are common factors of 8 and 12 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. These are the common factor of 12 and 8. And what is the HCF? HCF mean highest common factor. Highest common factor is 4. You can see that 4 is the highest factor between them. So 4 is the answer of this question. You can see that you have to solve this question on your neat copy and with the same process other questions. Now you have the part B, so you will write these three values here. And what is the factor of 15? 1, 3 and 5 and 15. And what is the factor of 20? 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. What is the factor of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. That are the factors. Now what are the CF mean common factor? It is the short form of common factor. CF of 15, 20 and 30 is equal to 1 is the common factor, 5 is the common factor. Enough. 1 and 5 are the common factors. So you will write here the 1 and 5. So what is the HCF of this value? 5 is greater or highest common factor. So the answer is 5. So you can see that question. Now you have this question number 1 on page number 36. It have 12 parts. You have to solve these 12 parts on your neat copy with the same process of question A and B.